Hi, are you ready to concatenate? This is a great function. You may have had need for this before. I'm going to walk through some of the ways to bring text together. In this first example, I'm going to use the new shortened version, Concat. You'll see as I bring this up that it's got concatenate. We use that for many, many years. Just in the recent versions, they've given us a shortened version. But you'll see it here and it will continue to work. I'm going to use the shortened version, and what I'm going to do is select the text that I want first and then use a comma, and I'll select this text that I want second. And what you'll see as I drop that into the cell is that it brings it together like this. If you want any dash or space or anything like that, you'll build that right into the formula. So let's open that back up. I'm going to put in a quote and hit the space bar and another quote, and then I'm going to follow it with a comma. So I'm actually bringing in three pieces of text: the Pablo, the space, and then the Picasso is coming in as the third item there. Now when I drop that in, it's just perfect. And if I fill that down, then I get that in all of the rows for the new row. Now that's one way to do it. Another very common way is to use the ampersand, where you do equals this cell, and then you actually do connect it with an ampersand, and then you'll do your space, and you'll do another ampersand to connect it, and then you'll pick your other piece there. And when I got that, it fills it in just like I want. And I can fill that down. I want to show you that in the 2013, 2016 Office 365, you'll see an even easier way where you don't have to write or understand any kind of functions to do this. When I enter that first one and I start typing the second one, Excel is actually going to recognize what it thinks I'm trying to do. And if you see it pop up like this with the gray text there, all I have to do is hit enter and I get the whole column. So 3 different ways to bring text together. Next week on Function Friday, I'm going to bring you how to pull text apart.